Welcome to the West Coast Gardens YouTube channel, where you're going to find an I feel like I'm leaning. So this spring container, even I have challenges with it, and I have some. For more inspirational videos like this, be sure to, Maxine, you went like this. You got me. Yeah, okay. What you don't want to do is shower your baskets with a shower nozzle. You want to have water just go in and saturate your baskets. Horticultural, how do you say horticultural charcoal? In sunny South Surrey, BC. No, it's just, what did I say? Okay. Let's do it again.
Just keep going.
Okay. Sunny South Surrey, BC. Gently tap on the, okay, that didn't work. So planting perennials is quite easy if you've got the goods. I got the goods, I got the goods. Definitely want to keep these and use them to create a space where your soil can drain the salt water and the salt water out of your pot. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm going through a preview.
Don't blame me.
So you can have long-lasting flowers and a beautiful basket. And a beautiful basket.